We divide 498 by 3 in a long division method. 3 times 1 is 3. On subtracting, we get 1. So now we put down this 9 and it is 19. So 3 times 6 is 18. On subtracting, we get 1. So again we put down this 8 and it is 18. So 3 times 6 is 18. On subtracting, we get 0. So 498 divided by 3 is 166. So this much for today and thanks for watching.